Hello, how's everybody doing today? Coach Giani here. And today I want to show you how you make original videos for your Facebook ads so you never get banned anymore. Okay, in this day and age, you have to be original. So basically, what I do is I order the products. Okay? I order the products. And I ship into my house. Okay? I ship into my house. And on Amazon Prime. So they come in 2 days, they're in my house. Okay? In 2 days, they're in my house. The products, they're in my house. Okay? Now I'm gonna have my video team open the product, demonstrate what the product does, okay, in video. We're gonna create our own original footage, okay? And now you have your own footage. Nobody can say, oh, you ripped me off. No, baby. I got my original footage, my friend, and I got proof because I'm gonna take a video with my product doing the video, okay? And then we send it to then we look at the video that is currently playing, that is crashing, okay? And then my video guy creates a similar footage, but with my footage, my video, okay? And but anyways, that's what you have to do these days. You wanna be original. You want to be original. You don't want to get in trouble. You have to record your own videos. So basically what I'm doing is a service that I do way nicer for my students, where I own the footage, and I give them the rights for them to use the footage. Okay? That way they don't get in trouble. And we tell them the products that are super hot every week. So you're gonna see me buying products every week, winning products every week. So I send it to my video guy. My video guy creates the video for them, and then they can put their own logo, whatever. Now they can use it, and nobody gets in trouble. Super cool, right? Good service that we do, but at the same time we train our students. When something is not working, we have to immediately fix it. Right? So basically that's the strategy. And don't rip off anyone anymore, because they report you 3 times, they will ban your account. Okay? So if you got into this video late, watch it again so you know exactly how we do it. And I will post more videos soon, okay? Take care, bye-bye.